Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I am here with you with a new chapter, new video, new virtual class. So I hope you are enjoying your best time, your quality time. And as you know, we in the previous video, in the previous virtual class, we learn about the minerals of the Muslim world. So how many minerals we are done? Minerals and natural resources. So oil, natural gas. The second one is natural gas. Third, coal, mineral, and the product of the Muslim worlds, which are the wheat, cotton, cocoa, tea, and gold, silver, coffee, rice. These are all are the natural product of the Muslim world. So till where we were done, till chapter 4, page number 22, we were done. Like copper, lead, and zinc. These were minerals we are done. Now we will start the page number 23. 23, nickel. Nickel is also a metal, like mineral. This is also valuable metal, is often used like zinc to coat steel object. For example, if there is steel objects, so far we give a layer of zinc, we paint or we give a layer on the steel to make to stop it rusting, means it when that is called nickel. It is the shiny metal you see on bicycle handle bars or the bumper of the cars. Nickel is also used to make some silver coins. Indonesia is the fourth largest producer of the nickel in the world. See, in the bicycle there is, see this part of the, which is the shiny part of the bicycle, we give a layer of the nickel to make it shine, to make it or to save it from rusting. Understand? Bumper of the cars is also made of also some other metal like iron or other metals, but we give a layer of the nickel to make it shine. Gold. So gold, as you know, gold is a very famous and valuable metal, and from the gold we make the jewels of the lady jewels. The ladies, especially ladies, like the jewels very much. So here I'm going to read it, then I will explain it. We usually think of jewelry when we think of gold, but today it has a much more important place in industry. It is the best conductor of all the metals in the world and will never rust. Understand? Rust means when everything just destroy. When you keep some kind of metal in the water or soil, so it has a water and soil, it has a chemical. When some water will go in the you will put in the metal, especially iron or other metal, so with water and the soil, there is a chemical reaction that's make that is cause of rusting of the metal. So the here the gold is the is a very precious, very important metal that's never be rusted. Understand? So today gold is used in scientific equipment, especially for making important connections in the computers and other electronic equipment. Gold is widely used in the electronic equipment in satellite because it will not tarnish. Gold is sometime used for making artificial teeth. Indonesia 7th and Uzbekistan 9th rank among the top 10 producer of the world's gold. So gold is the, as you know, the Indonesia and the Uzbekistan are the producer of the gold. Indonesia is has seventh number, and Uzbekistan has ninth number, ninth rank among the top 10 producer of the golds. And where we use gold in, because it is a good conductor and it's not be rusted. So many equipment, scientific equipment, because experiment of science are very expensive. They can't take the risk, scientists can't take the risk. Maybe it if they use some other kind of metal, so it will be rusted, and it's not good for the scientific experiments, so they use gold. As you can see in the picture, gold is the space is used in the space satellite. If you are, for example, you are using a million or trillion of your money, so you will definitely, you will make secure everything, you will make safe everything. So you here the scientific you for the scientific use, and the scientists who use scientific equipments, they use the gold for their uh, equipments, so that they not be rusted or not cause, they not be cause of any danger. So next is silver. Silver as last, silver is also a good metal, and it's very good. Silver is also resistant to tarnishing, as well as for jewelry, cutlery, and silverware, dishes, cups, trays, etc. Silver is used in computers because it conducts electricity well. Once it was main chemical in the photographic film, but today most cameras records some image on digital strips. Silver is used in the manufacture of many chemicals. It was used for coins in the past, but today it is considered too soft for this. Kazakhstan ranked ninth among the world's largest producer of the silver. So, which is the Kazakhstan is the ninth, has the ninth rank of the world producers of the silver. So, where we silver we use, it's also we use in the different kind of jewelry, cutlery, means pots, silverware, dishes, cups, or trays. And we use silver in the electricity because it is a good conductor. Before many times ago, for ages, silver is also used in the photography today, but now there is different kind of uh, metals and experiments. After experiments, scientists are using many other things. So silver is also a good conductor, so we use many electricity equipments or any many other things. And we use silver is also used in the in manufacture, in making of many chemicals, in manufacture, the making of many chemicals, which we use the different experiments. So silver is also very important. Now we are going to turn to our question and activities. Here are the questions. So those last two questions, fourth and fifth, that is not important, it's up to you, it's an activity. So in every exercise, book exercise, there are some kind of activities, so you have to do these activities yourself. Understand? Next, these are short question, as here is written. Short question: why the Muslim countries are important in the world? The Muslim world is most important region of the world for producing oil and natural gas. Write two uses of copper. Copper is a mineral which we use under the ground. Copper is very useful for making cooking pots as it heats up very quickly. It is also used in two cables and wires. Electricity cables, wires, we also use the copper. Name any six oil producing countries of the world. You know, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Kuwait, Libya, Bahrain, like this. Name any six minerals of the Muslim world. Copper, zinc, lead, gold, nickel, silver. Which country have the world largest percent of gas reserves. The Gulf states of Qatar has 12% of the world's non-gas reserve. The North Field, which is half the size of the Qatar itself, it is world's biggest single reservoirs of the natural gas. Understand? So next, here are the long question, exercise questions. Here, gold and silver are precious metal. Find out about their different uses, how these metals are mined and purified. So use of use of gold is written here. As you know, you made the jewelry, pots, and scientific equipments and other connection, electronic equipment. Gold is also in the use in the satellite go and even we made the artificial teeth with the gold. You can see many of the people, they have the gold teeth even. So in dentistry field, you can use the gold. Silver use is also jewelry, cutleries, silver ware dishes, cups, trays, and even give different making of different chemicals. Make the coins even with the silver. Even you can make the gold coins also in the. Even silver is also used first in for ages. Silver are used in the photographic films. So here, mining and purification of gold and silver, it's we get the uh, gold and silver was derived from the alluvial sands, gravel. It's in the different kind of liquid form. So they have the different combination, the different kind of methods they use. The people, they use different methods and they purified it. Understand? So next question is number 2. Here number 2 question is, look at the variety of the things which are made from oil. How many of these have you used or come into the contact with the today, at home, at school, traveling to and fro? So what are these? If you what Petroleum is today one of the principal source of energy. It is currently the king of the fuels. Oil is extremely valuable for export, and the whole world is desperate for petroleum. Also, for helping in developed industries, petroleum is now converted into more than 5,000 products. It is the basis of the relatively new petrochemical industry that contributes synthetic rubber, new clothing, new utensils from colored plastics, now way to produce better crop from chemical fertilizer, pesticides, because in the plants, in the factory, we use oil and natural gases to make these kind of things. So it is life blood of the military power. It is used as fuel for vehicles, aircrafts, at home. Many things are made from oil, like cosmetics, dyes of all kinds for food, clothing, plastic, for all kinds. Half of the synthetic clothing, nylon, ethylene, is made from oil, plants, ink, etc. All the things in the school, at home, um, in traveling, everything we use, what we use, we made from the oil. Number 3 question, what do you think is coal not commonly used? Discuss the reason. Coal is declining in importance as fuel. Before oil sorry before oil was very important. When many resources we discovered, uh, the less it decline, it give the less importance to the fuel, because instead of oil or natural gases, now factories are using the coal. The widespread use of petroleum as a fuel before, during, and after World War eventually reduced the demand of coal for coal. The change from coal to oil as fuel is warship in the early 1940s, and increasing use of natural gas and heating fuel all contributed to a decline in coal production. But petroleum price increased, coal demand gained strength. Presently, the largest share of coal consumption goes to electric power generation. So, it is our last chapter of the last video, last virtual lecture of the fourth chapter. I think you done it. This is short question and long question of this chapter is your homework. You write down on your notebook. So inshallah, in the next virtual class we will meet again. I will see you in the next lecture. Till then, uh, be safe and be good and stay home. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care, students.